Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Septiana Dwi Arianti, number 50. In this video, I want to tell you about journal, which the title is Design of Electrocardiograph Signal Simulator from IJB. For the first is abstract from this journal. Medical equipment functional test and calibration is a routine activity that must be carried on periodically. Electrocardiograph requires an electrocardiograph anthem to calibrate the function. This calibrator is commonly called electrocardiograph signal simulator. The purpose of this study is to design a simple electrocardiograph signal simulator with 10 leads of signal that can be used to test electrocardiograph recorder with standard recording procedure. With the electrocardiograph signal simulator that was designed and made, the development of signal patterns can be made as needed. The normal human cardiac signal displayed on the electrocardiograph simulator software. The potential value that display on the electrocardiograph simulator software can be extracted manually and assembled as flash program of microcontroller. So this microcontroller will regenerate some digital code by each parallel port. This digital code then converted as an analog signal by digital to analog converter. The electrocardiograph signal simulator output is an analog signal that identical with each lead according to the recording method of bipolar, unipolar, and precordial of electrocardiograph. This analog signal was tested using a start electrocardiograph recorder. It is proved that the simulator is able to generate an electrical signal in accordance with the characteristic of the human cardiac signal display on the electrocardiograph simulator software. The result of human electrocardiograph signal simulator design are a device that generates electrical signal with output specification that correspond to the bioelectric signal of the human heart. The statistical test show that the p-value is more than 0.05. It is meant that there is no significant difference between the design and standard. The signal pattern has met the specification of electrocardiograph simulator signal. For the second is introduction from this journal. The paragraph discusses the challenge in obtaining standard electrocardiograph signal due to variation in amplitude, ppm, and signal patterns among individuals. To address these issues, the need for a low-cost human electrocardiograph signal simulator is emphasized. The electrocardiograph also reference related work such as Sagita et al.'s microcontroller-based electrocardiograph simulator for generating analog electrocardiograph signals. Barbaris discussion of the electrocardiograph machine ability to produce 12 electrocardiograph recording patterns. Young's design for precise electrocardiograph signal generation. Valles et al. Practical electrocardiograph device for calibration and testing. Astrom's electrocardiograph simulator software from displaying heart signal patterns, and R. Firmansyah et al. Use of an electrocardiogram phantom in monitoring heart rate and temperature via the Internet of Things. Overall, the paragraph highlights the importance of cost-effective electrocardiogram signal simulators and various approaches in this field. The next is method of this journal. The paragraph outlines the key steps in designing the electrocardiogram signal simulator. It begins with the preparation of a vector array representing the amplitude of the heart signal at standard electrocardiogram tapping points using electrocardiogram simulator. This amplitude data is collected and stored in the database, which is then assembled as flash program. Multiple 84552 microcontrollers are used to generate 9 analog signals, and an additional microcontroller is added for user interface purpose, allowing BPM adjustment via push button and LCD monitor. The microcontroller processes the amplitude code, and a digital to analog converter is employed to convert the digital code into an analog signal. The text also highlights the use of attenuators R10 and R11 to ensure the output amplitude falls within the desired range. Additionally, the software design is discussed, with flowchart illustrating the user interface and signal generation processes involving the microcontroller and port control. In summary, this paragraph details the hardware and software aspect of the electrocardiogram signal simulators design and operation. For the next, this is a diagram block system from electrocardiogram signal simulator. And this is a flowchart from electrocardiogram simulator. And this is the result from this journal. Shown in this figure, the signal generated by the simulator has a similarity to the electrocardiogram simulator signal. Measurement result for each signal can be seen in this table. And to find out the similarity of the signal patterns generated between the simulators and electrocardiogram simulator signal, a statistical analysis is needed. In this table shows the t-test for that data. And the conclusion from this journal is the output signal of the human cardiac simulator has been recorded and compared with the electrocardiogram simulator output signal. All three standard recording methods are taken to produce 12 electrocardiogram patterns. The signal patterns has met the specification of the electrocardiogram simulator signal. The human cardiac simulator also able to generate an irregular signal as a normal rhythm signal. I think enough for my presentation. Thanks for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.